Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The compound shown is HOOC-CH or CH or CHO. It consists of two CHO groups and two OH groups on adjacent carbon atoms. Moving on to the next step. Determine the parent chain. The longest carbon chain including both carboxylic acid groups has 4 carbons, C1 through C4, where C1 and C4 are the carboxyl carbons and C2 and C3 bear the hydroxyl groups. Moving on to the next step. Name the parent chain. A 4-carbon chain with carboxylic acid groups at both ends, positions 1 and 4, is named butane 1,4-dioic acid, analogous to succinic acid butanidic acid. And for the final step, add substituents. There are hydroxyl or groups at C2 and C3 giving the prefix 2,3-dihydroxy. 2,3-dihydroxybutane 1,4-dioic acid. Evaluate the options. Option A, 2,3-dihydroxybutane 1,4 carboxylic acid is incorrect because carboxylic acid as a suffix used with locants 1, 4 is not standard IUPAC nomenclature for a diacid of this type. Option B, 2,3-dihydroxybutane 1,4-dioic acid correctly names the compound, a 4-carbon chain with 2 carboxylic acid termini, dioic acid, and hydroxyl groups at C2 and C3. Option C, 1,2-dihydroxyethane dicarboxylic acid is incorrect. While this describes the same connectivity in an alternative substitutive sense, it is not the preferred IUPAC name since the CHO groups are included in the principal chain rather than treated as substituents on a 2-carbon chain. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.